What's up, YouTube? Tim back here with another one for you. Today we're going to go over eBay versus Mercari. My experiences, pros and cons. Stick around this video, and as always, thank you for watching. Alright, so we're going to get started here with my list. I got 10 things I want to go over. Just some of my differences between eBay and Mercari, pros and cons, my experiences. I am new at reselling, so when I first started, it was Mercari for sure. I started on Mercari and then I graduated to eBay. So number one for me is going to be how many items can you post on Mercari versus eBay? Well, I haven't found a limit to Mercari yet. Seems pretty straightforward. You keep posting and they're allowing it to go on, go on, go on. With eBay, when you first start, you get a certain amount of items that you can post, and I think it's only 10, maybe 20 when you first get started on eBay. So that right there is why I kept going with Mercari. I posted my first 10 or 20 things on eBay. After I couldn't post anymore, I went over to Mercari, started posting until things on eBay sold off and I could post more. There's number one for me. I would say Mercari takes the win on that one. Number two is going to be usability. eBay is a little more difficult to use than Mercari is as far as putting in your item descriptions. If you don't put enough of them in, it will not send your item out to the right amount of people that should be looking at it. Mercari, you can literally put 5 or 6 words in your description and you're done. Post it and forget it with Mercari. It's on there and it'll sell. So usability, I would say Mercari is definitely way easier to use. Number 3 is going to be printing shipping labels out. This is a funny one. So Mercari, I'm going to start with that because it's super easy. As soon as you sell something on Mercari, go down to your sold item, you're going to see a little button there. It's going to say print shipping label. Couldn't be any easier. You print that label out, bam, prints right out on your printer for you. eBay, whole different story. My first thing I sold on eBay, I couldn't figure out how to ship it. I found the customer's address and their name and everything, but there was no print now button for me or anything like that, so I couldn't figure it out. So you know what I had to do? I hand wrote the addresses for my first 5 or 6 items that I sold on eBay. Went to the post office, had to sit in line and wait, pay the post office how much they wanted for the shipping. That's how I got started with my first shipping things on eBay. So, right off the bat, Mercari takes another win right there with the shipping. Super easy. It's right there, just a print now. eBay, where is my print now button? All right, next, number 4. is going to be how many people are seeing your item on Mercari versus eBay. Well, eBay's been around for a lot longer, so you can guarantee that your item's being seen by more people on eBay than Mercari. Unfortunately, eBay is definitely way bigger. It's been around longer. There's a lot more users on there. It's well known. Mercari is coming around, but it's still fairly new platform, so you gotta have to take a little time, and the users will get there eventually, but probably not as many as eBay. So eBay is going to take the win there for me. Going to move on to number 5 here. Just grab a drink. When you sell your item on eBay versus Mercari, getting paid ASAP and offers. So when you sell an item on Mercari, people can buy it right outright for the price that you have it up for, or they can send you an offer and you can accept it or reject it. As soon as you accept it, chances are within a couple hours you're going to be paid for that item. Now on eBay, somebody might send you an offer, and let's say you're selling something for $40 and you get an offer for $50 and you're like, what's going on with this offer? And you look at it, kind of weird. People don't have any reviews. It'll say 0. Chances are that's going to be a scam. You don't really get scams on Mercari like that at all. So I wouldn't accept any offers that are over the price that you're asking for anyway. That's kind of a red flag right there. But if somebody sends you an offer on eBay and it's the same price that you have it up for sale and they have zero, there is a good chance that it's probably a scam somehow. But then again, there are those new buyers on eBay, and you have to give them a chance because that's how they get started, right? So if you accept an offer on eBay and all of a sudden you're realizing they're not paying, you send them a remind to pay now, they still don't pay, a couple days go by, they still don't pay, your item is no longer up for sale anymore. Nobody's seeing that item, it's in lingo. Now you have to wait for eBay to clear this item out, repost it on there. You might have a charge that gets occurred in the same time, and all this has to happen because somebody sent you a bad offer. Unfortunately, eBay loses with this battle. Mercari, you take the win there. Number 6, how they pay out and when. Well, Mercari will start with you because you haven't changed really. Mercari, when you ship an item out, you haven't been paid for it yet. When your item arrives, you haven't been paid for it yet. Your customer has to rate and review you. You have to rate and review your customer, and then your funds will be released into a Mercari account. Then you have to take your Mercari account and send it over to your bank account. Okay, not too horrible. eBay, before they just came out with managed payments, you would send your item out, PayPal would be paid, you take your money from PayPal, send it to yourself. Now, they do have a program on eBay when you first get started. You might not get your money right away. It might take up to a month, but they just want to verify that you're a real seller. You're actually going to ship the product to your customer. It makes sense. They're going to go through a verification process with you. That's perfectly fine. I'm okay with that. Verify away. Because you know what? Now I'm a top-ranked seller. I was getting my money right away until they started managed payments. But hey, it's okay. Managed payments isn't that bad either. We'll get into that with another video. I'm new at this still, but I'm just explaining to you my experiences as a new reseller, and hopefully it helps you out just a little bit and helps you get to that next level, because you know what? We all need a hand up. I'm not looking for a handout. I'm looking for a hand up. That's all. So, with that being said, we're going to go on to number 7. eBay has shipping supplies. Mercari does not, unfortunately. Now, not a bad thing. You can always go to Staples, go to wherever. Sorry.
Hello?
I guess she's ready. She didn't tell me. I'm sorry, guys. Gotta take a phone call. Alright, so we're gonna go back. Number 7. Shipping supplies. eBay has shipping supplies. Mercari does not. Why is this important? Well, it's really not a big deal, but at the same time, it kind of is to some people. I took a Mercari item and shipped it in an eBay box and got a bad review on Mercari because the people said that my shipping needed improvement. I don't even know what to say about that. Did it arrive safely? Probably. Pretty sure it did. All my items do. Most of them, I should say. Knock on wood. There's that. eBay wins that one. Hands down. Number 8. Customer service. When you call eBay, do you get a hold of somebody? Most of the time, or they call you back. Have you ever tried to call Mercari? You can't even find a phone number for them. Okay, it's all ran by somebody somewhere, but they don't want you to have their phone number, that's for sure. So, customer service, I'm going to have to give it to eBay. They win with that one in my eyes. I love talking to somebody, proving my point, letting them know what happened. Sometimes it's easier to talk to a human than it is to a computer. Other people feel the other way around. Number 9. adding sales to your items posted on Mercari versus eBay? Well, adding sales on Mercari, easy. They have this little button, 5% down promote button. It works very good. Super easy. As soon as you're scrolling through your items, you'll see promote now or edit the item. Okay? You can hit that promote button 10 times a day. Okay? And if you get to your 10 items and you still want to promote more, you can hit the edit button, which is right there. Write down your price, change your price, boom, boom, done. Super, super easy. eBay? eBay, to add a sale, do you want to do it to all of your items or just one of your item? You can go in and manually change the price in there, which isn't that awfully hard, but they could make it a little easier. If you want to add a sale to your store and put your whole store on sale for 5%, you have to go to the help menu. You have to type in Seller Hub. Click on Seller Hub. It's going to bring you to your main page where all your stats are that you don't ever really see and probably never even knew it was there. Down on the left-hand column, way down, you're going to see marketing, something like that. Press the marketing. Right upper hand corner, hit another button. You got a little drop down and it's going to say promotion, sale, add sale, this sale, that sale. Put the bottom one, add sale to everything. Then it's going to ask you, okay, well, how much to your sale do you want to do? And it's going to put you at a percentage amount. It's going to ask you when you want to start it, when you want to end it. Then it's going to ask you how many items you want to do, and you have to select all your items. After 88 steps, you might get your sale up and going on eBay. Okay, Mercari, you definitely win hands down with that one. So, with that being said, we're going to move on to number 10. And if you like this video, please make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe. We're going to have a lot more videos like this. We're going to go over managed payments for eBay. We're going to go over Mercari stuff. We're going to do it all. Number 10. Monthly charges. Okay? Who do you think is going to win on this one? Put it down in the comments right now. Well, Mercari does not have monthly charges. You can have 1,500 items on there, and they're not sending you a bill at the end of the month saying, hey, Tim, you owe us 10% for the 82 items that you sold. Nope. eBay, on the other hand, you can post all your free items. That's fine. They won't send you a fee for that. They'll send you a fee when you do sell it, and it'll come out automatically. But if you want to post more items on eBay like you can on Mercari, you have to sign up for a eBay store, pay a monthly subscription to that, which is a minimum of $10, I think. I pay the $30 one. I can put up to like 500 items or something like that, and every month they're giving me more and more. It's very awkward the way it works. It's never exactly what they told me it was going to be. It's always actually kind of more. But at the end of the month, if I've sold a whole bunch of things on eBay and I'm getting a $100 to $200 bill versus the things I've sold on Mercari where it comes out automatically and you don't even realize it, that's a big difference right there. You're also paying to have those extra items on eBay to maintain your store. So, Mercari wins again with monthly charges. I think that's going to do it, guys. That's my comparison for eBay and Mercari. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe. This is Tim signing out, and I'll see y'all next time.